So we got a red stain here that someone spilled cough syrup, and cough syrup uses artificial food colorings. So you want to treat this with a reducer. So this has been sprayed with a reducer, and we're going to do what they call a heat transfer and get this out. Have it basically wick up through convection into this rag here, and using steam, and hopefully we get our hands wrapped around this big red cough syrup stain. Gatorade is treated the same way. Kool-Aid, basically anything with artificial dyes. I treat with a reducer and do this heat transfer method. So let that sit on there for about 15 to 20 seconds. And sometimes you got to repeat the process, but you also have to be careful because you don't want to do too much because you'll start pulling carpet or color out of the carpet. So you can see that it's starting to disappear, the untreated part, the treated part. So we are getting ahead of this, and you can see on the rag here, it pulls it up. Well, normally it pulls it up into like a yellowish color like that. It brings it up into the rag. So anyway, looks like we're gonna get this whole thing knocked out. So continuing here, this is our upper part of the red stain. So let's see how it came out. And yeah, it's pretty much gone. We've had good luck. I still see a little bit of red right through here, so we're going to give that another dose. I already sprayed it with the reducer, and I'm going to put that on it. I like to mark the area by just putting some finger compressions in it, so I know where to put the iron, kind of bullseye it. And we'll let that sit for another 15-20 seconds and make sure that little residual is gone, and we can call it a good day. Okay, let's check this thing out. Bam, success. So I think there's a little bit of spot right there. I'm going to treat that one more time, just right there, but I would call this a success. Customer should be pretty happy with this. Okay, we're all done. Went back, got that one little spot that was bothering me. So looks like we got all the red out, and your eye is not drawn to it, and the customer should be very happy. I know I'm happy, but my opinion doesn't count.